Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to do breakdance in FC24, easy method. Start by selecting a winger with good agility and balance, then enter the skill modifier and practice the initial flick down on the right stick. Keep your pace steady and watch defender reactions, using a quick second flick when they overcommit. Focus on low-risk attempts and master placement before speed for consistent success in matches. Warm up with a few seconds of dribbling to read the defender, then commit to the two-flick sequence smoothly. Use the modifier and execute a controlled down flick followed by a directional flick toward space. Keep movements small and deliberate to avoid accidental skills, and focus on timing the second flick when the opponent shifts weight. Repeat in training until the rhythm becomes natural and reliable in live play. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more content. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, a funny little off-field upgrade for tidy setups and less cleaning after long sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. Then now let's get back to the video. Choose moments where one defender is committed or when you face a tight sideline, and then deploy the breakdance to bypass pressure. It's high reward when used sparingly, so avoid spamming it in crowded areas. After breaking past a defender, immediately look for a through pass, quick 1-2, or a low-driven shot to capitalize on the created space. Practice situational use to make it effective during key attacks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.